There's a massive amount of critical assets sitting in PSTs or public folders. We know that Exchange contains almost as much data as traditional file servers and NAS devices, and sometimes even more critical assets.
DatAdvantage for Exchange provides a bidirectional view into who can access Exchange mailboxes and public folders. Double-click on any mailbox or public folder to see who has access, or double-click on any user or group to see which mailboxes and public folders they have access to, including send on behalf of and send as privileges. DatAdvantage provides a complete audit trail of email activity. With DatAdvantage, it's possible to see a user's activity over the entire infrastructure in one interface, including Exchange, SharePoint sites, and file servers. Administrators can see who is sending email to whom, with what subjects and attachments, and who opened them. While native Exchange auditing only tracks a few event types, DatAdvantage provides a much more complete picture of email activity, including critical events like message deletes and messages marked as unread. By capturing and analyzing millions of events over the entire data store, Varonis metadata framework technology enables complete messaging governance. By combining permissions and audit information, DatAdvantage makes recommendations on where access can be restricted and helps model access control changes. DatAdvantage recommends users that should be removed from security groups. Administrators can simulate these and other changes without risking workflow disruption. Once changes have been modeled, administrators can safely commit mailbox and sharing permissions changes right through the DatAdvantage interface. DatAdvantage for Exchange provides high-level views of email activity to help identify data owners. DatAdvantage displays statistical information that can be used to lead IT to the appropriate business owner of a mailbox or public folder, identify the most and least active users in the environment, as well as identify the most and least active mailboxes and public folders in the Exchange infrastructure. DatAdvantage identifies anomalous or unusual email activity. DatAdvantage provides alerts when it detects significant spikes in email and file access that may signal a worm or virus or a possible data theft.
We started with DatAdvantage for Windows, then Unix, then SharePoint, and we're using that same underlying metadata framework to solve these very, very challenging problems with DatAdvantage for Exchange.